What's up? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class, where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. On this episode of Basic Combinations, I'm going to be using a heel twist, a kickball change, and also a down groove. Alright, so before we get into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so this series really focuses on putting our basics together in short combinations, almost like you're learning choreography but in smaller chunks. Okay, so we're going to start this movement off. The combination is going to just start with a heel twist to my left twice. So just your left foot, I'm going to go twist and twist. Okay, so if you know my step back heel twist, all we're going to do is add that step back at the same time we do a heel twist. So I'm gonna go heel and heel back. Okay, so we're just gonna do it 1.5 times. So I'm gonna go twist and stop. Okay, so let's put that together. Counts. I'm gonna go 1 and 2. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2. Okay, so from here, all I'm gonna use is my kick ball change. So I'm pretending like I'm kicking something over here. I'm gonna do a ball change and come to the other side. So I'm gonna, from here, I'm in the cross back. I'm going kick, ball, change, and then from here, I'm gonna take a wide step out, wide, together. Okay, so from the top, I'm going twist and twist, kick, ball, change, wide, stop. Okay, so notice that I am trying to add like a little small down groove with that crossover with my ball change, just to give it a little bit of more dynamics too. Okay, so let's go from the top again. So 6, 7, 8. This goes twist and twist, kick, ball, change, around, stop. Okay, let's put together the count. So heel twist. There you go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Almost there for the whole way. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Good. Okay, so from here, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump out and do a down groove, and I'm gonna slide over to the back. Okay, so think of yourself, I'm jumping out, almost like doing this, but I'm gonna go to the back. So if I was going to this way, I'm kind of using this to go back this way. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back, my left leg's gonna go back, down, and back. Okay, so again, I just went wide around. From here, I'm jumping out, down, and back. And again, your feet are going out. So think it's going out and not just stepping out or stepping to the front. Okay, let's go from the top. So 6, 7, super slow. Twist and twist. Kick, ball, change, around, together, jump, back, together. Okay, again, so 6, 7, 8. This goes twist and twist, kick, ball, change, around, together, slide, back. Okay, so little detail here. As I come with my feet together, instead of just stopping, we're gonna kind of initiate that jump. So almost like this foot is hitting a button, bring my body up so I can slide into the back. So think around, jump, slide, back. Okay, there you go, whole 8 count. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist and twist. Kick, ball, change, around, jump, slide, back. Very good. Okay, whole 8 count. Here you go. Count 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, left foot first, and twist, kick, ball, change, around, jump, slide, back. Again, we got 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this small combination. Again, just really focus on your feet for this one. We're just focusing on putting together our basic movements into shorter combinations, just so you get used to one, piecing them together, and two, starting to learn a little bit of choreography. All right, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong in the video. And I'll be sure to give you comments, leave you props, and all good stuff like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it and what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.